Question exercise 1.2 first question. Show that the function f maps R2 R defined by f of x is equals to 1 by x is 1 1 and onto, where R star is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Is the result true if the domain R star is replaced by n with codomain being same as R star? So first we solve this half. We need to check the given function for f maps R to R 1 1 or onto. We will check. So first we write that formula 1 1 formula. If f of x1 is equals to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2. For all x1 comma x2 belongs to what is here x1 x2 are x1 is input, x2 is output. So here input is R star, non-zero real numbers, and it is also non-zero real numbers. So both are belongs to non-zero real numbers. Then write the given. What is the given? F of x is equals to 1 by x. Now apply the definition into this given. So f of x1. F of x1 means simply you replace x by x1. Put x is equals to x1. So here I will write f of x1 that equals to 1 by, in the place of x we can write x1. So it is f of x1. Next I want put x is equals to x2. Then f of x2 is equals to 1 by x2. Just I replaced x2 in the place of x. Now apply the definition. What is the definition? F of x1 is equals to f of x2. So what is f of x1? F of x1 1 by x. 1 by x1 is equals to f of x2 1 by x2. Just I will write these values in the place of f of x1 and f of x2. F of x1 is 1 by x1. F of x2 is 1 by x2. Now take cross multiplication. Multiply these two. 1 into x2. x2. Next x1 into 1. x1. So according to the definition, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equals to x2. Therefore, suppose I am taking here x1 is real number. x1 is equals to x2. If I am taking x1 is non-zero real number, so it is equals to x2. So x2 also belongs to non-zero real numbers. Therefore f is 1-to-1 function. Are you clear about this? Next we will check onto. Next onto function. We know the definition. F of x is equals to y. For all y belongs to, what is the output? Y means what? Y means they gave what is the mapping here. So they gave here f maps x to y. So here f maps they gave non-zero positive real number to non-zero positive real number. So in the place of y we have r star. So y belongs to r star. So I will take here f of x is equals to y. But the given is f of x is equals to 1 by x. What is the f of x value? Y. Write y value here. Y is equals to 1 by x. Now I want x value. Here y not equals to 0. If y is 0, then x is undefined. And for onto function, y belongs to the codomain. What is the codomain in the function? It is the codomain. Or it is non-zero real number. So it is output. Y belongs to this one. There exists x belongs to non-zero real number. What is x here? Non-zero real number. So there exists x belongs to non-zero real number. And for example, y is equals to 2. 2 is a non-zero real number. So when I take non-zero real number, then I will get x also non-zero real number. How it comes? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is 0.5. So it is also non-zero real number. Now apply the definition here. What is the definition for onto function? F of x is equals to y. And what is f of x here? 1 by x. Now you write f of x is equals to 1 by x. What is the x value we got here? 1 by y. So write x value in the given function. So f of x is equals to, what is x? 1 by y. That equals to y. F of x is equals to y. Hence proved f is onto function. When the function is 1, 1 and onto, then it is called bijective. So f is bijective. We proved the first half of the question. Next half of the question is the result true if the domain R is replaced by N with codomain being same as R? Here R star is non-zero real number. They told here we need to replace this domain. Domain means here input. This domain by N. Real numbers are replaced by natural numbers. But the output is being same. That is codomain. Codomain is being same. So that is the function is f maps n to R star. If you observe here, y belongs to R star. Here y is the non-zero real number only. But input changed. Input is natural number. So for this case, we check 1, 1 or onto. Both are proved or not, we can check. So the function is f maps n to non-zero real number. So the function is same. F of x is equals to 1 by x. Write the 1, 1 function definition. What is the 1, 1 function definition? If f of x1 is equals to f of x2, then x1 is equals to x2. So what is f of x1 here? Just you replace x by x1. So write 1 by x1 is equals to f of x2. What is f of x2? Replace x by x2. 1 by x2. Take cross multiplication, we get x1 is equals to x2. Here if I take, what is x1 here? X1 is input. That is natural numbers. Natural numbers are the inputs. Suppose I am taking natural number 2. Then natural number 2, that is x1 is equals to 2. Then 2 is equals to x2. Means x1 is a natural number. Yes, it is belongs to natural number. Then x2 also non-zero real number. So both are satisfying the condition of this one. So it is f is 1, 1 function. Next onto, we will check onto function. What is the condition for onto? Here output belongs to non-zero real number. Now write f of x value. We know that according to the definition f of x is equals to y. What is f of x value in the question? 1 by x. So write here 1 by x is equals to y. Then from this send x to right hand side and take y to left hand side. We will get 1 by y is equals to x. Here y not equals to 0. Y not equals to 0. Now y belongs to any non-zero real number. I am taking any non-zero real number like 2. Then what is x here? X is equals to 1 by y. Y value is 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Is it natural number? 0.5 is natural number? No. So it is not natural number. Here x does not belongs to natural number at all times. So that it is not onto. Not onto. I think you are understanding this question. Thank you.